Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today's video is super exciting. I mean, I always say that, but today's video is sponsored by Tymo. I love Tymo. I love working with them. They have some of the most affordable and incredible hair tools out there. Like, I really like their hair tools. So this is the straightener that I'm going to be testing out today. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. You guys already know. I'm going to see if I like this on my curly hair. My hair right now is not the best. I mean, my hair, I need a haircut, number one. And I know my ends may look a little bit damaged because I put a lot of heat on my hair, but also because I do need a haircut. I mean, I haven't had a haircut in months, like at least 6 months, and I usually get a haircut like every 3 months. But I was waiting for my hair to grow a little bit for my wedding, and I'm not gonna get a haircut until my wedding, so bear with me. You guys know that I love their 1-inch straightener, and I always use this straightener. This has to be my favorite affordable straightener. This is only about $60, which is not bad because this is a very nice one. But today we're going to compare it to their Sway hair straightener. So this is their new 1-inch straightener. I'm going to do this side with the Tymo 1-inch straightener, and I'm going to do this side with this beautiful pink straightener. I'm just going to detangle this section. Going to be the first section that I'm going to straighten. So I'm going to take a very small section. I'm going to use the original. I'm just going to call it the original. And I'm just going to straighten my hair. I love how this one doesn't pull my hair like ever. As you can see, with one pass at 410, it's almost completely straight, but I do need to go in a little bit more, just at least another pass. But yeah, there you have it. I love this straightener. It's so good, and I can't wait to compare it to the new one, because I mean, maybe the new one's better, who knows. I don't even know which one I'm gonna like better. This is the second pass. There you have it. Pretty much straight. So I'm going to time this side now. I'm going to just fast forward this. If you guys want a more dedicated video about this hair tool, I have so many videos about this hair tool here on my channel. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll link them down below. So I started the timer right now, and let's do this. Alright guys, so I'm all done with this side. It only took me about 16 minutes to do this side. Let me show you guys, I actually timed it. So about 16 minutes, which is not bad. So usually it takes me like 30 minutes to do all my hair, 35, maybe 40 max, but that's not bad for me because I have a lot of hair and it's pretty thick. So this is what this side looks like. As you can see, very shiny, very sleek. There's like no waves at all. Like, this really does straighten my hair super well. It looks pretty healthy in my opinion. I know I need a haircut, but I do feel like my hair looks healthy, you know, like it looks shiny. It has some bounce like on the ends, which I really like. and I like it. I'm like very satisfied with how my hair looks on this side. I always recommend this straightener because some people are just looking for something that will get the job done, you know what I mean, like just a straightener that's simple, straightens your hair, leaves it shiny, sleek, doesn't pull your hair. And since it's a 1-inch straightener, you can do some curls with this. Like, you can create some curls with this. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, if you're liking my channel so far, make sure that you subscribe and you turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also, follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on here on YouTube. I post a lot on my Instagram. I'm pretty active on there. Anyways, let's open this up. So ta-da! Here it is. It brings, yay, two clips and a glove. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm actually using the same clip. I actually got this clip from my other Tymo hair tools, and I love them. So here's the straightener. Oh my god, I love this packaging. Okay, so I just took this off, and here is the straightener. Oh my god, this is so soft. It is so beautiful. I mean, I'm not crazy about like how my straightener looks, but I mean, if it looks cute, then that's a plus. So let's turn this on. I mean, it's already on. Oh, it's warming up. Wow, this is fast. Okay, it's warmed up to 450. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna bring it down to 410. So I'm gonna take this section of hair and I'm gonna start straightening it. So I'm just gonna do one pass first. Okay, I definitely noticed a little bit more of smoke, but it got my hair pretty straight. It didn't pull my hair. I'm gonna do another pass and see what happens. Yeah, very sleek. It's like completely straight with 2 passes. It's pretty crazy. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna bring down the heat setting, because maybe I don't need that much. So I'm gonna bring it down to, let's do 350. I don't think I need more than 350. I did 410 on this side with the original one, but I think that I might be okay with 350 with this one. Okay, so I got it pretty straight. I have to go over this section one more time, but this did leave my hair pretty straight. So I'm gonna put it up to 380, and let's just work with 380 because I feel like, well, that warmed up super quickly. I feel like 350 is okay, but it's leaving my hair not like as straight as I would want it to be. So I'm just gonna stick to maybe 380. I'm gonna do another pass. Yeah, I think 380 is better for my hair type. I'm gonna start timing this side of my hair. So let's see how long it takes me to straighten all my hair. Okay guys, we are back. I'm done with all my hair, and this is what the Tymo Sway side looks like. Super shiny, also very sleek. I did really like this side. I love this side as well. As you can see, also very sleek, very shiny. But I will say, this side took me a little bit longer to straighten. And I'm actually surprised because, okay, so I started at 380 and then like halfway I put it up to 400. So this side I finished in 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and this side I just did 410 the whole time. So maybe that's why it took me a little bit longer, not like a little bit longer, like way longer to do this side than this side. Basically, it took me 28 minutes to do only this side, and I'm very surprised that with this hair tool I had to go over the sections like more times. But it could be because, number one, I was doing 400 on this side, 410 on this side. Also, this side of my hair is curlier than this side. A lot of you guys know that, so that could also be a reason why this side took me longer. I don't know, guys, but I'm leaning towards this side a little bit more. I'm leaning towards the original a little bit more. I kind of like it better. Maybe I'm just used to it. I've used this one a couple times. Maybe I just gotta get used to this one a little bit more. But I did feel like this got my hair more straight, more sleek, quicker. I want to do one more thing though before I finish this video, and I want to do a side-by-side curl. I'm gonna take a small section of hair and I'm gonna curl it, and let's see how each curl compares to each other. So let's see how this curl turns out. Whoa, okay. Whoa, okay. That curl is like extremely bouncy. Do you guys see that? I actually love it. I love that curl. It looks very shiny too. Can you guys see that? It looks very shiny, super bouncy. Wow, it looks like if I used a curling wand. So let's do a curl on this side with the original. Okay, so yeah, the curls are different. This curl is nice too, but it's a little bit smaller. Do you guys see that? It's like smaller than this one. So this gives you kind of like a more like bouncy curl, kind of like what you would get with a curling wand. And then this curl is tighter, but it's still pretty nice. I prefer this curl 100%. The curls look more round, and I like the shape of the straightener because it's a little bit more round as compared to this one that's like more flat. So this one does give you nicer curls. In my opinion, I did like this curl more than this one. So yeah, you guys let me know in the comments down below which side you liked better. Did you like the Tymo 1-inch straightener side better, which is this one? Or did you guys like the Sway side better? But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.